Hi guys, welcome back to Creatively Crafted Life. My name is Melanie and this is another Blitz Your Kitz installment, which is a collaboration with a hashtag that I have noted in the title and in the description that if you click on, you can see all the other participants in this challenge. This challenge is 2 months in duration. The odd month we share a kit, the even month we share the projects we made with the kit, and this month's challenge, or this month's theme, was animal and or school. And wow, school is not really a big relevant topic for me, so that was kind of out of it. And animals was kind of tricky. I'm not too sure what I would do with that. So I'm gonna tweak this and take some liberal license with the challenge. And I am going to pull a winter kit that has some critters in it, we'll say. And this is also in keeping with my month-long challenge for the month of July, which of course is Christmas in July. So without further ado, let me share the kit. This is from Scrapbook and Cards Today, December 2022, so it's a fairly recent one. It features crepe paper, mittens and mistletoe, and Echo Park, The Magic of Winter. I have a Doodlebug snowflake stamp, a Hero Art stencil, and a steel rule die that says Grateful. So let me pull this out and I'll share with you the contents. First up, let me share with you the tools that came in the kit. So like I said, there was a die that says Grateful. There's the Gina K snowflake stamp set. This one's called Doodled Snowflakes. And then there is the Hero Art snowflake stencil. Mittens and mistletoe collection. You get a 1/4 of a 12 by 12 sheet. And so we've got the plaid, which is pretty, snowflakes, some stars, a diagonal stripe, some words. This might be kind of nice to make some sentiments out of. A blue snow dot, I guess, if you want to call it that. Poinsettia and pine cones, a very rough grid, kind of like a sweater pattern, wood grain, and then the little chalets. I like that they still have a camper, and another plaid. From that same collection, the dies the die cuts on ephemera that I received, some of these little snowflake epoxy circles. They're cute. A label. Now in Canada we call this a toque or a beanie. A scroll, a little tag, and the words Merry. From Echo Park, The Magic of Winter collection, I have a blue floral. The other side are blue snowflakes, twigs and berries, and then a blue plaid. Here's some more foliage and snowflakes, and then this is like a snow swirl on black, and then a white wood grain, and these cute little penguin critters, which I think you could probably fussy cut out. Snowflakes, another snowflake pattern, and some pine boughs. For ephemera, I received a banner, a sentiment that says all bundled up, and then in the middle we can build a snowman, hello winter, and then a 3x4 card that says the magic of winter. And that is the kit that I have to work with. I suspect that I will probably make cards with these because that is what I need to make the most of, but you never know what I will come up with. In order to see that, hang around. Be sure to click subscribe and check out next month's video on the 15th when we will post our projects that we made with this. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Be sure to click on that hashtag so you can check out everyone else that's playing along. And until next time, happy crafting.